Right, found this in CYFARTHFA Park. First of all, I thought it was Victorian, but then when I started cleaning, I thought that looks even older. And took it to Cardiff Museum. It's a Roman belt buckle clasp or something like that. I put the full right up in, but cracking condition. Bit gone off it, like, but as you can see, that's the other side. So it's like a clasp or something off a belt buckle, Roman, and I found it in CYFARTHFA Park. I put the dates and the right up in there full, but very thin again. But lovely patina on it, green, bronze. And sorry for the shadows in this car, it's boiling out today. But there we are, we got him. See a bit of iron on it as well, so I don't know if that was the other side that went into it. You can see a bit on it, but see the work, if you look at it closely there now, you can see the work on into it, like. But yeah, cracking little belt buckle, found in CYFARTHFA Park, Merthyr.
By a local metal detector.
I spent 220 days in the last year down here and just building up a collection. The icing on the cake, I thought, is this Roman military buckle, which I found in the next year over. And we had it confirmed by Cardiff Museum 2 months ago as Roman military as well. So we're rewriting history by, finding little items, I guess.